What's up, YouTube? Melody and Roxy Blue back at you here. She's sniffing. She got treats. Those are Mama's. Francesca, thank you for the Christmas box. Let me tell you what I got. I was gonna do it on the video, but I'm by myself right now. I don't have a caregiver, and it's hard for me to open, and I have to have both hands to do everything. Yes, Roxy, you're in the video. She's got to check and make sure. Anyway, Roxy got Christmas dog cookies, and she loves them. She's up here trying to get some more. But she says, thank you. Thank you for my treats. She's done been into them. She's done had a couple. Mama's done had a couple of hers, too. And I got a bunch of washi tape. And if you're a colorist or do anything journaling, you'll know what washi tape is. I love this stuff. And one of the things that I love most of all in the whole world, and I don't care what they're of, these stickers of poop emojis, I don't care. But I got a great big sticker book. And there is all different kinds of it's hard to do it one-handed, but yes, I love stickers. I love stickers. I keep a collection of them about everywhere. But, and I got a little sweater thing button around your neck, and it hangs over your shoulders. And I forgot I left that in the living room. I don't want to get back up. But anyway, I love my Christmas box. Oh, these cookies are going to be the death of me. I'm going to eat them all. I guarantee you I'll eat every one of them. But they're so good. Are those homemade cookies? Because, boy, they're good. Eat a ton of them. But, I wanted to do this one just for, I know she goes by a different name on YouTube, but she knows who, I think she goes, well, Heartless J, I think, is what she goes by. I'm not sure. I think so. But anyway, thank you very, very much for the Christmas. Roxy says thank you too. She's waiting on another dog biscuit. So I want another one of my Christmas treats. She's looking for them too. Are these what you want? Yeah, she wants more Christmas cookies. I'll give you one more. I can't open it one-handed. I'm trying to. You gotta get right in the way. Roxy said, give it to me, I'll do it. Hang on, I'm trying to get you one. One-handed even. Y'all hang on a minute. I can't get it. Roxy, not one-handed. Hang on, let me set you like that. No, get back. You knocked my phone down. Well, Even with two hands, I'll have. Oh, come on. There we go. Let's see. Let's give you the dog bone shape. No, you're not getting the whole bag. No, no. Stand back. Stand away from the cookie bag. Okay. Here's your Christmas cookie. So I'm taking my cookie and I'm going. Yeah, Roxy loves her Christmas too. She's sitting down there munching. Yeah, she likes those. So this is sort of kind of an unboxing, but not really, but kind of. Oh, and my teacher is back on YouTube. Thank God. I've been missing her and worried about her. And now I understand. But if she would have just told me she was having, I mean, I lost my husband. I know how your whole world is destroyed. I mean, nothing is ever going to be the same again. I mean, I know. Well, when she was telling it on her video yesterday, Lori, Miss Lori, I Miss Lori, I knew when she started talking, I'm like, yeah, now I understand why she just went dark, you know. She does go on Facebook, but I don't. I mean, I do once or twice a year, not often. But when I seen that pop up, I couldn't click on it fast enough. I was like, bam, I'm on it. I even hyped her video. Forget how many points I hyped it, but I hyped her video with it was 400 and something points. I don't know what hyping a video does, but I hyped it anyway. I give my points to it, so. Still crunching on her tooth. Uh-oh. She's going to another one. She's thinking about asking for it. Yeah, you're sneaky little butt. I know what you want. You're debating whether you can talk me into giving you another treat. I love this dog. Anyway, guys, that's going to be it for me for right now. And Happy New Year's, everybody. I love y'all. And we're going to be together for the rest of this year. I'm going to do what the doctors say so that I can be here and not, just down all the time. I wasn't much for, doing what the doctors say, but I will now. Because I see it got me nowhere but further and further out. And I'm like, no, I'm not going to do it. It's just best to stay down until they tell me I can go. And then I'll be gone. And I'll be on here. Okay, guys. I love y'all very, very much. Y'all know that. I keep repeating. Until the next one. Peace out. Bye. Oh, and if anybody has heard from Jay, please let me know. He's kind of went AWOL. He hasn't called me. He hasn't texted me. I haven't even seen him comment on a video. So if anybody knows if Jay's okay, let me know. I would appreciate it. Alright, now I'm out of here. Bye.